Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a few things that I picked up at Ulta. So stay tuned and let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I purchased that I'm excited about is the Milani Golden Nude eyeshadow palette. And I guess I should take the plastic off so I can show you. So the back says, sumptuous mattes, shimmering rosy pinks, and chocolatey browns, undeniably gilded. So this is what the palette looks like. So I'm excited to try that. I wanted to go ahead and swatch some of these eyeshadows for you. So let's just go ahead and do, this one is Detox. That is very bold, guys. Here is DGAF. It's like a plum, a muted plum. And this one is called 75 and Sunny. And then what finger do I have left? Keep Scrolling is this. It's like a, what would you call that? A coppery shade. So they are very pigmented. Then across the bottom here, I will swatch some of these. So this one here is called Add to Cart, and this is really hard to see. It's like a peach shade. And then the next one is called Hit Snooze, and this is like a burgundy. And then this one is called And Chill. So there are some really pretty shades in that palette. I'll be showing that to you in a future Get Ready With Me video. And then I also had been seeing a lot of these Ecotools new brushes, or they're new to me at least. These look interesting. Go ahead and take them out. So it says 360-degree ultimate blend, best with cream and stick formats for a perfectly blended finish. Apply your foundation and blend in a circular motion with the ultimate buff brush. Blend cream or stick, blush or bronzer with the ultimate pop brush for a sculpted airbrush finish. So this is the three that you get. This is called Ultimate Buff. And then the next one is Ultimate Pop. And then the last smaller one is called Ultimate Cover. So this is your concealer brush basically. So it looks like this is the foundation brush, this is concealer, and then, what are they calling that one? Okay, that's your blush brush. So basically it is a concealer brush, which is the tiny one. The middle shade, the middle sized one is your blush, and then the large one is your foundation. So they're very soft. They're different than your normal blush and foundation brushes. So it definitely must give more of an airbrushed look, and that's what they're saying it's going to do. And then this next item, I received a sample of this foundation, this Smashbox foundation, and I cannot remember where I got the sample. But I tried it. It's called 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and I tried this in the color, the sample color was 1.5, but they were out of that at Ulta. This one is 1.2. It's called Fair Light Skin Tone, and then the undertone is warm. So they have a different method here of of naming these. It's an oil-free foundation. Like I said, it's called Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And saying that this is a 24-hour foundation. It does say Studio Tip for a more sheer foundation, warm between fingertips before applying. And then on the back it says, same great formula, now proven to last 24 hours. This hydrating foundation evens skin tone and blurs imperfections, so you can face anything. Medium to full buildable coverage, won't settle into lines or pores. It was amazing when I tried the sample. Oil-free formula controls shine all day and won't cause breakouts. Amazing, right? Comfortable, natural matte finish, transfer proof, and won't oxidize. And then on top of that, it is a pump. I'm telling you guys, this is an amazing foundation. So that's what it looks like. And like I said, I tried this little sample that I had. And you know how you just kind of try samples because part of you is thinking, I have this free sample, I might as well try it. You know, like every other weekend I try to just kind of incorporate different samples that I have. And then I'm hardly ever like shocked or surprised by a sample. But this one, as soon as I put it on and saw how it looked, I, knew that I was going to go to Ulta and pick it up. So I have already tried that and can tell you that it is amazing full coverage foundation that just basically looks beautiful. I'm very impressed. And then I also just picked up a Milani eyeshadow primer. I have a lot of eyeshadow primers and I'm always torn between different foundations and concealers that I own. I will use as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm always kind of going back and forth, like, do you need an eyeshadow primer or should you just use your concealer or your foundation? Either way, whatever works for you is best, but I keep going back and trying both. So it's a work in progress. And then the last thing that I picked up is the ColourPop Just a Tint Lip Crayon. And I don't know about you, but I love lip crayons because it's fast, quick, and usually the consistency of the formula is really easy where you don't have to watch. You can put it on in the car or wherever you are, you can pull it out of your purse and you don't have to worry that you're going to have lipstick all over your face. It's really simple to apply. So that's how it comes out of the box. And I got this in the shade Cherry Pickin' is what it's called. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus, but that's the name of it. And it comes just like this. And let's go ahead and swatch this. Yeah. It's just a really nice neutral color. It's kind of hard to see on the back of my hand, but why don't I just take off my lipstick and I will try it on for you. So I've taken off my lipstick and I'm just going to try this new lip crayon out. It's really nice. I like it. It's very hydrating and feels like a lip balm going on. And as you can see, easy to apply. No lip liner needed. So yes, I am liking that. And I think that is it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I really just wanted to show you those new products that I picked up at Ulta. And as always, I'm always looking for some new products to share with you and be your guinea pig and try these out and see if it's really worth purchasing them. So everything I have will be down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.